Hi students, welcome to 3rd standard science class video session, lesson 2 animals. The topic senses of animals. Children, how many senses do we have? We have 5 sense organ to sense the 5 senses. We see with our eyes. We hear sounds with our ears. We smell with our nose. We taste with our tongue and we can feel with our skin. So animals also have the same 5 sense like human, such as smell, sight, hearing, taste and touch. In animals, some of the senses are highly developed. Let us study about these senses of animals. Now we are going to learn about special sense of smell in animals. Animals use their sense of smell to find food, to find their mates, means the members of its group, to distinguish between family and non-family members, and to recognize their own or enemies. Let us study about some of the animals in which the sense of smell is highly developed. First, let us learn about the ants. Ants, while moving, leave a particular smell which can be recognized by the fellow ants, which means one of the member in its group. They detect food with the help of their sense of smell. Now, let us learn the sense of smells in dogs. Dogs' sense of smell is 1,000 times more than that of humans. They urinate to mark their territories and sense with the help of smell. They are used by the police to smell and locate explosives. Now, let us learn the sense of smell in mosquitoes. Mosquitoes use the sense of smell to target humans. They are able to detect human smell and body temperature, and it will help to suck blood as a food from human. Now we are going to learn about sense of sight in animals. Now let us learn the special sense of sight in rabbit and chameleon. Among other sense of sight is the most developed in some animals. A chameleon has eye on the sides of his head. It can see both left and right object simultaneously with its 2 eyes. A rabbit has the ability to see all around without moving its head. Now let us learn the sense of sight in owl and vulture. Birds are known for having the best sense of sight. Birds like eagles and vulture have eyes on the sides of their heads and can perfectly see objects from a distance of 8 to 10 meters of what we can see from a distance of 2 meters. Owls have eyes on the front of their head, so they are able to focus on the objects with both the eyes at the same time. Do you know, children, oxen and crocodile can see only black and white color, while honeybees cannot see red color. Now let us learn the sense of hearing in animals. Animals use their ears for hearing. Animals like dog, elephant and deer have the external ears. The ears are visible from outside. Besides, birds and reptiles like snake have internal ears. They have small holes which are not visible from outside. Sense of hearing is very strong in animals like dog, monkey, rabbit, deer, elephant and bat. different animals have different hearing ability. Next, we are going to learn about the sense of hearing in an elephant. Elephants communicate with each other through vibrations. They sense the vibrations with the help of skin of the feet and the trunk. They use this sense to know about the incoming animals. Now, let us learn the sense of hearing in bats. Bats produce sounds to know about the prey which is flying at a distance. These sounds help them to know about the size and distance of the prey. Now, let us learn the sense of hearing in dog. The range of hearing is 4 times greater in dogs as compared to human. Ears of the dogs get raised even at the faintest sound, which means a very low pitched sound. Therefore, they use as guard dogs. Do you know, children, animals like ants, monkeys, and dogs can sense the occurrence of the earthquake or other natural calamities before the event. Now let us learn the sense of taste in animals. Human beings taste food with the help of tongue. It is not essential that all animals will taste with their tongue only. An earthworm can sense taste with its whole body. A fly or a butterfly can taste with its legs. Now, let us learn the sense of touch in cat and elephant. Human sense of touch with the help of skin, but animals sense touch in variety of ways. Cats have whiskers which give a good sense of touch of an object nearly and especially help the cat during night. Elephant use the sense of touch to lead the young ones as the baby elephants cannot see for some times. Now let us learn the amazing senses in tiger like sight, smell and hearing. Now let us learn about the sense of sight in tiger. Tiger have forward facing eyes which help to provide accurate visions. At night, the vision of the tiger is 6 times than that of the human vision at night. Next, let us learn the sense of smell in tiger. Tiger mark their area just like dogs. They came to know about the presence of another tiger with the help of its smell of the urine. Next, let us learn the sense of hearing in a tiger. Tiger can move their ears in all the directions, so they do not need to move their head to make out the directions of the incoming sound. Whiskers of the tiger help it to detect the movements and the vibrations caused by the other animals. Thank you, students. I hope you all understood this class clearly. Have a nice day.